Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are studying very well and you are preparing well for your examination. Students, this is a very important question for our actinides. It can be asked in the short note and so it can be asked in the 5 marks. So just you can see the question is the actinides have more tendency to form the complexes than the lanthanide explain, or it can also be asked as write a short note on the complex formation of the actinides. So as we know that actinides have some of the actinides like our uranium, thorium have a strong tendency to form the complexes. So why these actinides have a greater tendency to form the complex? The most important reason is that they have the higher nuclear charge and small sizes of their atoms. So what are the important things which are responsible for the complex formation tendency of actinides is that they have higher nuclear charge and they have the small sizes of their atoms. So as all the actinides are written here, so you can see the size goes on decreasing because of our actinide contraction. So as you can see here, see the size, the decrease in the radii. So because of the small size and they have higher nuclear charge, they have the strong tendency to form the complex. So for the formation of the complexes, as we know that there are different oxidation state. So in which oxidation state the more number of the complex can be formed are, as it decreases in the order as M4 plus will form the our complexes maximum number. So MO2 2 plus will form the complexes, then M3 plus, then our MO2 plus will have the least tendency to form the complexes. So M is any metal, actinide series metal like thorium, uranium, etc. So third point, so actinides, halides like our thorium chloride we have written here, they have tendency to form the adducts with the alkali metal halides. Means suppose this is our thorium chloride, so this is a actinide halide. Actinides when react with halogens they form actinide halides and they have the tendency to form adducts. Adducts means addition product with the alkali metals. For example, they can form the adducts like MTHCl5, M2THCl6, M3THCl7. Means these are the halides with the alkali metal. So these are the addition compounds, these are the addition complexes, we can say that. These our thorium chloride forms with the alkali metal. Here M is our any alkali metal. What are our alkali metal? That is our sodium, potassium, lithium, hai na? So all these are our alkali metals. Then with the pyridine, thorium chloride as well as our thorium bromide form monopyridine complex. Means when a pyridine is acting as a ligand, they can also form the monopyridine complex. The halides of thorium and the bromides of the thorium can form the complexes with the pyridine. The next point, our UO2 2 plus forms the unstable complex with EDTA as compared to the lanthanide. Means oxoanions of the uranium, they have the tendency to form unstable complexes with the EDTA as compared to the lanthanides. So and many other oxoanion ligands such as our RCOO minus, NO3 minus, sulfate, carbonate, oxalate, etc. All these have a tendency to form the complexes. All these ligands have the tendency to form the complexes with the actinides. Then actinides, as we discussed, they form the complexes with the EDTA. Means they have the strong tendency to form the complexes with the chelating ligands. As we know that what are the chelate compounds, they have the multidentate sides. So they have the tendency to form the complexes with the chelating ligands like our EDTA, etc. So this is not a very big answer, just you can write down the points. So the complex formation by the actinides in the solution is studied extensively. Means many complexes are studied in the solution, and the application of the techniques like our solvent extractions, ion exchange, chromatography, precipitate reaction, etc. they helps us to study the complexes of actinides. And some important complexes of actinides of the uranium and the thorium are written here. So just you can write this is acetyl acetonitro thorium. Means this is our tetra case. You have studied in your basics na coordination chemistry. Tetra case means if the ligands 4 ligands are here, so it can be your tetra kiss acetyl acetonitro thorium, and this is a some nitrate ligand of complex of our uranium. So just you can take the screenshot and write it. expected question for exam. Thanks for watching and do subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed the channel. All the best.